Now we are going to color the illustration we have just made. I will be using the skin color and the yellow ochre color for the skin shades. We can make it darker or lighter as per our liking. You can make it, brown shade or pinkish tinted skin shade as per your requirement. I'm trying to make some Indian colors, Indian skin, so I'm using these colors. While coloring, try to fill the corners first and then from corners start coloring to the center like I'm doing. Assuming that the light is falling on the face from the front, I'm going to use the yellow ochre color for adding some shadows to the illustration's skin like so. Now I'm going to use brown color for contouring and adding more shadows to the skin. We don't forget the jawline and neck part. Now for the main part, which is the garment, I'm going to use this orange red color for the dress. First I outline the dress like so, and then I fill the color. While using pencil colors, try to make the strokes in the same direction as it makes the garment or whatever you are drawing looks very uniform and neat. For practicing, I suggest you to draw gradients using pencil colors. Draw some circles and try to make 3D balls using these color pencils. Now I'm going to use some blue color for accessories like the hat and the bag and the boots. Now we're going to add some water to the illustration since the colors we're using are watercolor pencils. It adds so much life to the illustration and the illustration looks much more neat and crisp. But please make sure that the water you're using, the water you're applying to the illustration, keep in mind that you don't have to make the illustration look flat. So keep adding water and try to still maintain those gradients. If you don't like this process, you can totally skip it. I like the illustrations to look more vibrant, so I apply the water. Otherwise, it's not very important that you apply water to it. It looks good both ways. Now I will be adding water to the hair, and look how it instantly brighten up the whole illustration. I'm going to add some water to the eyes as well as other parts of the illustration to give them some shadows. And now the most important part, skin. Make sure that you have dipped your brush properly because you don't want the black color to make your illustration look weird. So wash your brush properly before applying the water to the skin. Now we are done with the coloring part. We are going to add some details to the illustration.